K is silent. You see here. KNOW. No. Knife. তাহলে কে আছে, we have K, but K is silent. উচ্চারণের সময় বলা যাবে না, কিন্তু লিখতে হবে। Knee. Knob. Knowledge. Dollar has knowledge. Dollar has knowledge. This K is silent. Kneel. K is silent. Not. K is silent. Knit. K is silent.